Hi kids! Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig in their bunk bed. Let's start drawing! I start with the ladder for Peppa's bunk bed. After finishing this ladder, I draw the base of the bed where George Pig is sleeping. Then I draw the top of the bed, which is Peppa's place. Because Peppa is older, she can use the ladder to climb that high. After finishing, I start to draw George Pig's nose, face, eyes and ears. He's covered with a blanket. Next to him, I draw his favorite toy, Mr. Dinosaur. Then I place a pillow under his head. I also draw little dinosaurs on his blanket. And I start to draw Peppa's face, nose and ears. I draw her two eyes, a circle for her cheek and her smiling mouth. Next to her, I draw Teddy Bear. On her blanket, I draw some points. I love it! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Peppa and I use this pink marker. I color her cheek light pink, brown for the teddy bear. Then I use orange for the blanket. Light orange for the toys and the pillow. Now let's color George Pig with the same pink of Peppa. Light pink, green for Mr. Dinosaur. I use light green for his blanket. And light orange for the little dinosaurs and the pillow. Now I use 2 shades of purple for the bunk bed. I start with light purple. And finally, I use dark purple. Beautiful! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!